In this video, I'm going to teach you how to access the HTML of an email you sent from HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to head over first into your actual HubSpot account. Now, once you're in there, you just need to locate the content option and then locate the email. You can also head over to marketing because some cases it's actually found there. So click on the email right here. Now in here, just choose the email that you want to edit. I'll head over and choose right here this email itself. Click onto this in order to view this. Now into this option, you can actually view its HTML. Click on this display options and you can input right here the modules, the sections, and the likes. You can also see right here the automation as well as the template design as well as other options right here. Alternatively, you can click on actions, click on this view details. After that, you can see right here its details. You can see the status and the likes. So to get its HTML, you can just click on this web version in order to get its source. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.